Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we can discuss about automotive horn in detail. We will cover what is a horn, its basic component, working principle of horn, and also wiring circuit. At the last, we will see detail the practical installation of horn on the working table step by step. Please follow us up to end to understand about horn. The horn is an electromechanical device used on vehicle to produce sound. Its main goal is to alert pedestrian, other vehicle, and driver ensure safety. So horn are powered by vehicle battery and can be produce sound at different volume depend on vehicle type. There are different types of horn. Electromagnetic horn, the most common used in vehicle, produce sound using vibration of a diaphragm. There is also air horn used on truck and bus, use compressed air to create loud sound. So you can see detail by identifying their components. How horn is working? Let's can see together. When the driver presses the horn switch that is found on the center of the steering wheels, at that time it completes a low current circuit. This energizes the relay. Once the relay is activated, it allows high current from battery to pass through the horn. So the electromagnetic inside the horn pulls the diaphragm, create a vibration. This vibration produces audible honk sound. This process is repeated many times per second while the horn switch is pressed, the producing continuous sound. Let's can discuss now the component of horn. Diaphragm. A diaphragm is a thin flexible metal sheet that can be vibrated to produce sound, and also electromagnet or coil. It can be create a magnetic field when current flows through it. The another one is spring or contact arm. It push diaphragm back to the origin position, open and close the circuit repeatedly. Casing, it produce component amplified sound. That you can see step by step it is working principle. An electromagnetic diaphragm horn work when driver press the horn switch, and electric current flow from battery through the foot and the relay to the horn coil. When the coil receives the power, it becomes electromagnet and attracts the armature, which is connected to the diaphragm. As the armature moves, it pulls the diaphragm inwards, compress air inside the chamber and starting sound vibration. At that time, movement open internal contact point, which breaks circuit and stop current flow to the coil. When current stops, the magnetic field disappear and the spring push armature and the diaphragm back to the original position, reconnecting contact again. This make and break the action happen very rapidly, causing the diaphragm to vibrate many times a second. This rapid vibration creates the loud horn sound that is amplified and direct outward by horizontally shell. Okay, to perform installation of horn, we need power source, battery, fuse box, horn relay, switch for horn, switch horn, and also horn. We need this component. Then you can start installation. This is very easy from lighting system. Horn installation very easy one. So let's can start first. We connect with fuse inlets. Okay. This was outlet from fuse with relay here, or relay terminal 30 and 85. This is 30, this is 85. We connect both of them, 30 and 85, with power supply or from fuse box. are connected with fuse output. Okay, then from horn 87, this one is go to horn 87 is connected with horn positive. This is horn positive, okay, and also for another horn also connected together here. So this one is from this switch. This is for horn. It's connected to this one, horn. So in relay also H6 from relay. H6 from relay means this one. This is connected with switch. With this one, this is a switch. So we connect it with a switch. So we connected already with fuse and the relay and the switch together. Now the remaining is ground. We connect the ground. This ground for horn ground. Okay. Additionally, from this switch, what you see here, while we press this switch like this, when driver press the switch, horn switch like this, at that time this one can be contact with ground body of car, so the horn can be on. The whole body of the car is ground, so that while driver press this one, it can get ground. This one get ground. If to get ground, this relay can be activated. This relay is activated, power can go to the horn, and the horn can be working, give sound. Working, so that you can see the flow. First, power from battery is go to fuse box in red from outlet, which means that from this one is connected with relay terminal 30 and 85, and also the 87 is go to the horn positive, both positive for both horn. We connect with positive terminals, and also 86 is go to switch. This one is horn switch line, so we connect with horn. Then ground is for the ground of horn, and also here there is ground connection. While the driver press here horn switch, this positive can be connected with body of the car, that is ground. At that time horn is working. So I try to give here ground like this, so that horn is working like this at the wall. Okay.